Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Project Motor Racing game not launching or not opening or not starting error on PC. So let's go through it. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So for that go to Steam. Now search for the game and after that go below. And here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have the required specs and after that launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, now click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your Steam as well as PC and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, remove this launch option and move to the next solution. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game. If your game is not listed, you have to click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application. After adding it, now search for the game, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and then launch the game and check if this helps. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section and right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, next solution is to run game from the installation folder. So under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application and double click on it to check if it's launching or not. If not, run the game as administrator. So select it, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility. Then here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After that launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option and then check. Next method is to run SFC scan. So for that you have to open the command prompt. So go to the Windows search for command prompt, open it and here you have to paste the command here and then enter. So this will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically and after that hopefully you can play the game. If not, follow the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option to check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays vital role. So make sure to lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issues and then check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like Nvidia Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issues while playing the game. So make sure to disable all those and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Go below. From here you have to click on the link. This will download Visual C++ files. After downloading it, open it, and you will get either repair or install option. So here it is install option. Simply click on it to install and wait for some time. Now after you get a pop-up of setup successful, close this and then restart your PC. After restarting, launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, then click on Advanced, then click on Change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. Now click on Custom Size. Now after that, in the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Then click on Set and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, next method is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows Security. Now search for Windows Security, open it. Here you have to click on Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Manage Settings. Now turn off real-time protection from here. If it is turned off, well and good. If not, turn it off. After that, go to the Windows search again, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But remember to later on enable the protection and then play the game and check. If not, next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, go through the link I have already provided in the description, or you can also search for DirectX on your browser. Website opens. Here you have to click on download, and this will download the DirectX on your system. After that, open it and install it. Once installed, now launch the game and check if this helps. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on Add a Desktop App. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, select high performance and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Project Motor Racing Game. For that, go to Steam. Under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage. Now click on Uninstall and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall Project Motor Racing Game and then click on play button and check if the game is opening or not.